Hello, everybody. This is my Android One course app. So uh, from the beginning, sorry for the audio quality. I do not own any recording hardware, so hope you understand. So the app that I developed is named Speechful. It's a text-to-speech app. The purpose is to select the language that you want from the available ones, and then you input the text, and the app will synthesize for you and the audio of the text that you inputted, and you can choose to save it to some cloud storage or to your local device in your file. And the app has a login system which allows you to also edit your profile information and switch between accounts, so you can get your recordings if you get a new Android device, or you can just have multiple profiles. So let's see. First, I'm running a screen mirroring of this Samsung Galaxy A8. This is the donor device that is my tester. So this is a custom icon that I put for the app, and let's open it. First thing first, it's ask for permission to access photos, media, and files on my device. So we want to allow it so that it's possible to save the recordings locally. And here we got the login menu, which has the login and register implemented. The navigation is implemented with the tab navigation, so we can click or swipe between them. It works both ways. That's some nice user experience. And since we don't have any users created, as you can see, in the real-time database on the Firebase console, nor on the authentication, we have nothing, so it's empty. Therefore, let's create our first user, and I will just create a user with my name because I'm selfish like that today. Let's put some address and some password. Make sure they match. Yes. So now our user is created with a unique ID that Firebase generated for us. That's our key. And then we have our, we get prompted to our main view, which holds our beautiful logo. And then an image view with a spinner that allows us to see the available languages. And we can click on either of them, the spinner or the flag to drop down the spinner, and we can select between multiple of them. And let's do English because that's what we know. And let's say hello to Android.
Hello, Android.
So when we click on the play button, it synthesizes the message for us, and then we can click to save. And as you noticed, just right now, it created a table for recordings, and that's our user's recordings created on the same unique ID that we got here. So that's our first recording in English. Hello, Android. Let's convert the same recording to German, shall we?
Hello, Android.
It's the same text, but saying with a different voice, and let's save it. Oh, it appeared. Amazing. And then we can check our library, and we can see them. That's a recycler view. And to see the difference, let's actually put some numbers and save them. So we get some content going on in the recycler view, and you can see to the left how the Firebase real-time database is updating real nicely. Amazing. So as you can see, we get our items with the flag and the language displaying depending on what is that, and we have here the content of the text. And even though it's the same, we can click to listen.
1234.
Yes, that was Italian. And
1234. 1234.
So as you can see, it's different. And then we can, let's say we want our Hello Android app, the recording to be downloaded locally to the device. You can see on on the file system actually the recording because it should be converted to a WAV file, and we can see it here.
Hello, Android.
Super neatly, and we can share this, of course, if we want. So that's very nice. So that's our recycler, and we can delete the recordings, and you can see the recycler is moving when we delete it. Obviously, we can edit the name. And then we can see that our users updated in the Firebase real-time database with the correct info. Let's actually log out, and let's create a new account. Let's do above 123 at gmail.com. Password bob 123 123. And then we register, and then we have no recordings. Let's create some. Hello.
Hello.
And then let's do then we can see that there have been added a couple of recordings to our new user Bob.